Have you ever wondered what confident women know that the rest of us don't? It's not some big, complicated secret. Sometimes, it's something as simple as how they feel in their own skin, a feeling of pure, unapologetic smoothness and self-assurance. For so many, that feeling starts with one little ritual they all swear by. Forget everything you think you know about Brazilian waxing. We're not talking about those cringeworthy, painful experiences that feel more like a punishment than a pampering session. No, we're talking about a confidence reset. This isn't just about hair removal. It's a complete transformation in how you feel. It's about reclaiming your time and your comfort. Imagine a wax that's so gentle, it feels more like a warm, luxurious treatment. It's a moment of self-care you actually look forward to. The secret isn't just in the wax itself, though we'll get to that. It's in the entire process, a mindful routine designed to give you that incredible long-lasting glow. It's about the prep that makes your skin ready, the application that's surprisingly soothing, and the aftercare that leaves your skin feeling like silk. Let me walk you through it. We start by properly preparing the skin. A clean, dry surface is non-negotiable. This simple step ensures the wax adheres only to the hair, not your delicate skin, which is the #1 reason old-school waxing was so painful. Now, for the star of the show, this premium hard wax. Unlike traditional strip waxes that yank and pull, this formula is different. It's designed to be pliable, to shrink wrap around each hair as it cools, lifting it from the root without aggravating the skin. It's effective on even the shortest, most stubborn hairs, meaning you don't have to wait for awkward regrowth. You apply it in smooth, even sections, letting it set for just a moment. There's no cloth strip, no mess. You just create a small tab, hold the skin taut, and pull in one quick, clean motion parallel to the skin. The difference is immediate. It's less sting, less redness, and way more satisfaction. But hold on, we're not done. The real game changer, the part that elevates this from just a wax to a full-on glow ritual, is what comes next. It's the step most people skip, but it's the one confident women swear by. Before I reveal it, let me just say this. You'll feel the difference before you even see it. It's an internal shift, a little boost that says, I've got this. I remember the first time I tried this method. I was so used to the post-wax tenderness and irritation that I was bracing myself for it, but instead, my skin just felt calm, smooth. I couldn't stop gently touching my arm, just amazed at the texture. It was a small thing, but it made me walk a little taller that day. Okay, are you ready for the secret step? It's not some ridiculously expensive product or complicated technique. It's a dedicated aftercare serum. But not just any serum. We're talking about a specially formulated soothing serum with ingredients like chamomile, aloe, and maybe even a touch of tea tree oil. Right after you wax, while your pores are still open, you apply this. It doesn't just moisturize. It actively calms inflammation, prevents ingrown hairs before they can even think about starting, and locks in that incredible smoothness. It takes the ouch out of the equation and replaces it with a HHH. Think of it this way, waxing opens the door. And the serum is what you furnish the room with. It ensures the results are not just smooth for a day, but flawless and comfortable for weeks. This is the step that turns a chore into a luxurious experience. It's the difference between quickly getting a job done and intentionally cultivating your own confidence. The glow you see isn't just from the outside. It's a reflection of how incredible and cared for you feel on the inside. So, the full routine looks like this: prep, wax, soothe, and glow, 4 simple steps. First, cleanse and prep the skin to perfection. Second, use a high-quality, gentle hard wax that respects your skin. Third, and this is our golden rule, immediately apply a calming, targeted aftercare serum. And fourth, enjoy the glow. Rock that feeling of effortless, confident smoothness. This isn't about meeting some external standard of beauty. It's about doing something for yourself that makes you feel amazing. It's about taking a moment to connect with your body and give it the best. That's the real trick. It's the investment in the full process, not just the hair removal part. Thousands of women have already made the switch and unlocked this new level of self. They've discovered that feeling incredible in your skin doesn't have to be a painful, dreaded ordeal. It can be empowering. It can be gentle. It can be your favorite new ritual. So, if you're ready to transform your routine and experience that I can take on the world feeling, it's time to try it for yourself. Join the community of women who know that true glow starts from within, but a little help from the right routine makes it shine so much brighter. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share this absolute game changer. If you found this helpful, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on feeling your absolute best. Your glow starts here.